Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you have done your Neet exam well. Today I am going to give you the key answers of chemistry. Here question and answers are there. I have not mentioned the paper codes. Now let's begin. Which of the following is a natural polymer? Cis 1, polyisoprene. The key answer is cis 1, 4 polyisoprene. Now moving to the second question. The following metal ion activate many enzymes, participate in the oxidation of a glucose to produce ATP, and with Na is responsible for the transmission of nerve signal. That is potassium. HCl was passed through a solution of CaCl2, MgCl2 and NaCl. Which of the following compound crystallize? That is the three salts is crystallized. See, NaCl, MgCl2 and CaCl2. Moving to the fourth question, which of the following amine will give the carbonyl amine? That is primary amine. Give the carbonyl amine. Moving to the fifth question, the mixture of which shows positive deviation from Rolle's law? That is ethanol plus acetone. Now moving to the sixth one, the freezing point depression constant Kf of benzene is 5.12 Kelvin kg per mole. The freezing point depression for the solution of a molality of 0.078 m containing the non-electrolyte solute in a benzene is round up to 2 decimal. You should round up to 2 decimal. The answer is 0.40 Kelvin. Sucrose on hydrolysis gives alpha D glucose and beta D fructose. Paper chromatography is an example for partition chromatography. See, there the options are given: thin layer chromatography, adsorption chromatography, column chromatography and partition chromatography. There the answer is partition chromatography. Identify the incorrect match. You can see here the match. The incorrect match is this one. EM. Understood? Now moving to the 10th. Hydrolysis of a sucrose is given by the following reaction. Sucrose plus H2O gives glucose plus fructose. The given reaction is, if the equilibrium constant Kc is 2 into 10 raised to 13 at 300 Kelvin, the value of a freezing delta G you should find. Then the formula is delta G is equals to minus RT ln Kc. See, minus RT ln Kc means minus RT value is 8.314. The given time is temperature is 300. The given temperature is 300. The Kc is 2 into 10 raised to minus 13. Understood? The number of a Faraday's F required to produce 20 grams of calcium from molten CaCl2 at atomic mass of a calcium is given. See, the answer is 1 Faraday. Match the following and identify the correct option. You can see your question paper and you can match here. For the A option is third option, B is for 1 and C is for second and D is for fourth. You can see your question paper. Find out the solubility of NaOH twice in 0.1 m NaOH, given that the ionic product of a NiOH twice is given is 2 into 10 raised to minus 15. If the 2 electron is lost, then the answer is 2 into 10 raised to minus 13 m. Now moving to the 14th question, measuring the zeta potential is useful in the determining which property of a colloidal solution. The answer is the stability of a colloidal particle. Which of the following oxo acid of a sulfur has OO linkage? This linkage you should find. Then H2S2OH, that is peroxo disulfuric acid. Identify the correct statement. See, identify the correct statement is the oxidation state of a chromium in CrO4 2- and Cr2O7 2- are not the same. You can see you can refer your question paper there. Reaction between the benzaldehyde and the acetophenone in the presence of dilute NaOH is known as, the answer is The given option is cross Cannizzaro reaction, aldol condensation, aldol reaction, cross aldol. Here the answer is cross aldol reaction. Moving to the 18th one, the number of a proton, neutron and electron in Lu, lutetium, respectively are. That is 71 is given, 175 is given. See, end to end. You should write end to end 71. In the middle of the number is anyone. You can write this 104. This is the answer. The anisole on cleavage with HI gives. If you react the anisole react with the HI, then it is gives phenol plus methyl iodide. Which of the following alkane cannot be made in good yield by the Roots reaction? If you do the Roots reaction, then the good yield is N-heptane. An increase in the concentration of the reaction of a reaction leads to change in is collision frequency. The answer is collision frequency. On electrolysis of a dilute sulfuric acid using platinum electrode, the product obtained at anode will be SO2, sulfuric dioxide gas, sulfur dioxide gas. Which of the following is basic amino acid? That is lysine. For the reaction 2Cl gives Cl2, the correct option is this one. Delta H is less than 0, delta S is less than 0. That is negative. Which one of the following has maximum number of atoms? Largest number of atoms in lithium is there, so 1 gram of lithium is correct answer. Now moving to the 26th question, identify the compound X in the following sequence reaction. See, toluene is given, you should find the X reaction. If it reacts with Cl2 to form benzyl chloride. Match the following. Here the oxides is given, nature is given. See, for CO neutral, BAO is basic, Al2O3 is amphoteric and Cl2O7 is acidic. This is the correct answer. Now moving to the another question, a tertiary butyl carbocation is more stable than a secondary butyl carbocation because of which of the following is due to hyperconjugation. Which of the following set of a molecule will have zero dipole moment? Means the zero dipole moment is BF3, like this means boron trifluoride, hydrogen fluoride, CO2, 1,3 dichlorobenzene. This is the answer, zero dipole. Now moving to the 30th question, an alkene on ozonolysis gives methanol as one of the product is. Its structure is, you should write the structure is this one. Identify the molecule which does not exist, means this molecule does not exist. If you go through the bond order, you can get the answer. The correct option for the free expansion of an ideal gas under the adiabatic condition is this one. Q is equals to 0, delta is equals to 0, W is equals to 0. Now moving to the 33rd question. An element has a body-centered cubic structure with a cell of a 288 pm. The atomic radius is, see, BCC of a R is equals to 2 root 3 by 4. Then this one is the answer. The calculated spin only magnetic moment of a Cr2 plus is, you should find root of n into n plus 2. This formula you should go through, you will get the answer. Which of the following is a cationic detergent? Then this one, cetyl trimethyl ammonium bromide. What is the change in oxidation number of a carbon in the following reaction is, the given reaction is this one, then the carbon of a methane is -4, then if the carbon tetrachloride, it gives the reactant to +4. The answer is -4 to +4. Which of the following is not correct about carbon monoxide? Which one is not correct about carbon monoxide? Then the carboxy hemoglobin base bonded to CO is less stable than oxyhemoglobin. This one is. Identify the correct statement from the following. So here given all the statements, CO2 is used as a refrigerator for ice cream and frozen. You should find the correct statement. This is not the correct statement because the structure of fullerenes contain the 12 6-carbon rings and 25 carbon rings not. ZSM5 can convert alcohol into gasoline. This is one correct. And CO is colorless, odorless or flammable as gas. C and D is the option. I think CO2 is used as refrigerator for ice cream and frozen food. This one is also correct, the option, but I predicted that 3A, C, D is correct, but in the paper it is not given. Then you can write CD is correct. Elimination reaction of a 2-bromopentane to form penta-2-ene is it forms a beta elimination reaction, follows the rule, and dehydrohalogenation. It follows 3 steps. Understood? The answer is A, B, C. Identify the correct statement from the following. The given statements are: vapor phase refining is carried out for nickel by Van Herker. In Van Herker, we can use zirconium, right? A nickel, that is Mond process. This is wrong. Pig iron can be molded into variety of a shape. This one is correct. Wrought iron is impure iron with a 4%. It is wrong. Blister copper has blistered appearance due to the evolution of CO2. Not CO2, this is SO2. Then the answer is pig iron can be molded into a variety of shapes. Now moving to the 41st question. Which of the following is correct order of an increasing increasing field strength of a ligand to form coordination compounds? See, this is the answer. You can go through this one. 42 question. A mixture of N2 and argon gases in a cylinder contains 7 gram of N2 and 8 gram of argon. If the total pressure of the mixture of a gases in a cylinder is 27 bar, the partial pressure of N2, you should only find the partial pressure of N2. Understood? The N2 molecule, if you calculate, you will get 7 ones are 7 fours are 1 by 4, then 8 ones are 8 fives are 1 by 5. Then you calculate the partial pressure. Understood? 27 is there and the answer is 15 bar. Now 43 question. Urea react with the water to form A, which will decompose to form B. Not given here. B when passed through Cu2 plus, deep blue color solution on C is formed. What is the formula of a C from the following? If it is passed through A, if the copper is react with the ammonia, it forms deep blue color, that is copper tetraamine copper 2 plus. Understood? Tetraamine copper 2 plus. Now moving to the 44th question. The rate constant for a first order reaction is 4.606 into 10 raised to minus 3. The time required to reduce a 2.0 gram of the reactant of a 0.2 gram is given. You can take the formula. K is goes to 2.303 T into log T1 by T2. Understood? You can follow this reaction. The answer is 500 seconds. Understood? Reaction between the acetone and methyl magnesium chloride followed by the hydrolysis will give tertiary butyl alcohol. I hope you got the all chemistry key answer. You can check your answers in the paper. Then you can analyze how much you can score in the Neet for the chemistry part of you. I hope if you want many more videos, you can like, subscribe and share my channel.